welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm like super excited. I'm going to be reviewing these lashes. They're by the brand LINX. I actually reached out to her and she sent me a few different sizes, and it is in the style number N3, and they are C curl. I have 8 millimeters, 10 millimeters, 12, 14, 16, and 18 millimeters. So this is everything. They're all the same, just different sizes. These look so pretty. Oh my goodness, those 16, no, 18. Wow. Those are some lashes. I think those will hit my brows. That is so cool. I'm really excited about this. So let me go ahead and lay them out in order. So she sent me all those sizes. She also sent me some glue, which I already have one in the glue, so I'm going to use the one that I already have that's open. She sent me some olive oil, jojoba, and vitamin E. It's the lash remover. And then she sent me an applicator. Let's go ahead and take this out. Ooh, I like the color. So that is what the applicator looks like. Super cute. And I do like these. I use, it's kind of like the Kiss one, which is like this. So it's kind of like the same shape as that one. And then I have two that are like this. This is one is by the brand Plume, which I've reviewed on my channel. And then the other one that I use, it's kind of the same shape as this one, is from Amazon. But I like these. Like, I like them all. They pretty much all do the same thing. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and set these out in order. I'm not going to be using the remover today just because I'm not going to be removing them. Okay, so this is what the 8 millimeter looks like. This is the 10 millimeter. This is the 12 millimeter. This is the 14 millimeter. This is the 16 millimeter. And this is the 18 millimeter. So they're all super pretty. I'm just going to get right into this. I'm going to start out. I'm actually going to start out with the 18 and see where it goes from there, just because I like super fluffy and dramatic. I just usually use these things to help open them because I always have fake nails. Speaking of, I need to put this nail back on real quick because this video is going to be horrible. I am missing a nail, but I'm going to go put it back on because they're just glue on. That's what I use. So that I can do this. Look how cute these are. Those are long. I like it. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to start out by using this one. Okay, so all you want to do to take them out is you just grab it. I like grabbing to where it's going to be comfortable for me to apply it. Put the glue onto the lash itself and then glue it from underneath, because I've been getting a lot of damage on my natural lashes because I keep applying it to my lashes, and I've noticed that my lashes are not as long as they used to be, which, I mean, when you're using these, it really doesn't matter how long your natural lashes are because I pretty much keep these on at all times. But I have noticed that my lash health has went downhill, and I've used, I think what did it, I used that Kiss one, and I did a review on it, and it just tore up my lashes. So I think that's pretty much where it started out. Okay, so I put the glue on the top side because I'm going to be gluing them underneath my lash. So what I do is I just like, I look down and you place them like that. You don't want to place it like directly on the lash line because you don't want it to be uncomfortable. You go slightly above that. So I'm doing 2 of this size. Like that. So I'm going to do 1 more of these. So they are not cut individually. You do have to cut it. That first one was cut because I don't know if you can see there's a line, so that must have cut it. So you do have to individually cut them, which is fine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut about the same length that it already was. About like that. I'm using these like gigantic scissors. I have some like lash scissors like for cutting lashes, but I don't know where they are. They're probably in one of my makeup bags, which it's like good luck me finding it. I did pull off some of the paper, so I have to take it off the back side of this. So I just hold the lash down like this, and I grab the glue from the back and then just pull up, and it comes right off. And then again, I'm just going to add the glue on top of the lash. Just like that. And so I did 2 of those. Now I'm going to go with the 16 millimeters. What I do like about being able to cut them yourself is you can make them as small or as long as you want them to, like the pieces. So you're not, like if you're in a rush, you don't have to glue on a whole bunch. You could actually do just like one whole strip if you wanted to, and it would be fine. Okay, so this is 18, 18, and now we're going with 16, and I'm going to do another 16 millimeters. Okay, so now I have the 218 and then 216. So I'm going to work my way from a 16 to a 14. These are so pretty. See, I don't think I've ever tried 18. I may have tried 16. I think I have tried 16. But those 18s on the outer corner, they are just like really lifting up my eyes and making them look really, really pretty. I love it. The only downside to not applying the glue directly on your lashes is it takes a little longer to actually apply them, because normally I apply it and then my lashes are sticky enough to where I can just keep going in one after another. But because I'm applying it to the lash, it actually takes a while for it to get a little tacky to where it'll actually stick. So I have to wait a little longer. So that's the only downside to not doing it the other way. Look at that, so pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna do another 14. So again, it's 18, 18, 16, 16, 14. And then I'm going to do another 14. And this may be the last one I have to do. Okay, so that is it. Now I'm just going to go through. I'm actually going to use this one since it doesn't have any glue on it, just to kind of pinch them all down. Okay, so that is them completely on. These are so pretty. I'm going to show you like kind of like a side angle so that you guys can see. So that is what it looks like from the side, from like the top. They're so pretty. That's from like super, like on top. They are so pretty. They are so comfortable. The bands on these are super like thin considering how fluffy and full they are. So far, these are the best lashes I've ever tried. I absolutely love these. Look how pretty. That looks pretty. It looks like I literally have lash extensions. Look at that. Super pretty, and they're so lightweight. Like these are kind of like when I get the like the really thick lashes and I cut them up, but the bands on those are crazy thick, so it's really hard to wear those underneath your eyes. for more than like a few days, just because they're so irritating. I could wear these easily for 2 weeks if I wanted to. Like, they are super comfy and super pretty. I'm going to continue to get these. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this eye, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so that is the completed look with both lashes on. I am going to apply some makeup. So if you guys want to see what I look like with some makeup on, I will be uploading other videos today. So keep an eye out for that if you want to see me completely done. But yes, I absolutely love these. Super, super good quality, super lightweight. Like, these honestly are the best lashes that I've tried so far. I do like the plume lashes. Those are probably come in a number 2 on best lashes. These are just so comfortable, and they don't look like plasticky or anything. They look really pretty, really voluminous. And like I said, it was 18, 18, 16, 16, 14, 14 on both sides. So that's what I did. And what I like about these as well is because they're lash strips, you can like kind of customize it to what you want. Like, as long as you want, like the pieces is small. Like I earlier right here, I had to put in a little piece just to kind of make it go all the way in. And it was super easy to do, and I could do exactly the length that I wanted. But look how thin these lash bands are. Like, the band of that is just so thin for as fluffy as they are. They're super, super comfortable. Like, I don't feel them on my eyes. Even with just regular glue-on lashes that you glue on top, sometimes those can get really, really heavy for the eyes. And these are so lightweight, I do not think they will be pulling out my lashes. I am glad that I did try just putting it on my regular, on the false lashes and not on my regular lashes, because I want to see how long they last doing that. Just because I know that it is less damaging on your lashes than like applying it like a mascara and then putting them on. So we're going to see how that works out. So I have the lash adhesive, which I already had bought that off Amazon, but you can actually buy it on their site. I also got sent the remover, eyelash applicator. It says a lash pad, but I did not receive that in the package, so they may have forgot to put that in there. And then, of course, the 18 millimeter, 16, 14, 12, 10, 8 lashes. Lashes. I don't even know if did I get an 8? Yes, I did. Okay, so I did get everything else. The only thing that I did not get was the lash pad, which is fine. I mean, that was very sweet of her to send me all this. I will put a link to where you can actually purchase all this down in the description box below. That way, if you guys are interested in getting beautiful lashes like this, you guys will be directed in the right direction. But yeah, that pretty much completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. My channel is almost to 1,000 subscribers, so please help me achieve my goal. Thank you all who have been supporting my channel throughout the years. It means a lot to me. But until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye. God bless.